Hello! In this tutorial, we'll create the same model using Blender, Rhino, and SketchUp. Let's get started. Rotated rectangle. 400. 300.
Plane. Vertical. 0 enter. 400. 300.
Add menu. Mesh. Plane. Edit mode. Merge. At center. Extrude. X. 400 centimeters. Select all. Extrude. Z. 300 centimeters.
Right-click. Divide. Move. 120.
Split edge. Click the midpoint. Hold Ctrl plus Shift to select the vertex. Move. 120.
Select points. Vertex menu. Subdivide. Select point. Move. Z. 120 centimeters.
Move. Press Ctrl to copy. 80. Line. Erase.
Hold Ctrl plus Shift to select the edge. Tap Alt to copy. -80. Line. Trim. Select the lines. Delete.
Select points. Move. Z. -80 centimeters. Extrude. Z. 80 centimeters. Face selection mode. X. Faces. 2. X. Limited dissolve.
Push-pull. 600.
Push-pull. 600.
Extrude. -600 centimeters.
Offset. 20. Push-pull. 585.
Shell. 20.
Inset. 20. Extrude. 585.
Triple-click the model. Make group. Line. Push-pull. 10. Triple-click the model. Make group. Move. 80.
Planar surface. Extrude. -10. Move. 80.
Select edges. Fill. Face selection mode. Split. Extrude. 10. Select linked. Move. Y. 80.
Rectangle. Push-pull. 20. 40.
Extrude surface. 20. Push-pull. 40.
Duplicate. Separate. Selection. Object mode. Edit mode. Extrude. -20. Vertex slide. Disable clamp.
Rectangle. Push-pull. 20. 40.
Extrude surface. 20. Push-pull. 40. Push-pull. 40.
Object mode. Edit mode. Duplicate. Separate. Selection. Object mode. Edit mode. Extrude. -20. Vertex slide. Disable clamp. Vertex slide. Disable clamp.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.